Hey everyone, Jody Marvin here to show you how you can still stream into your private Facebook groups using your favorite third-party streaming tool like StreamYard or Zoom. Okay, I know many of you have heard that Meta has announced that as of April 22nd, they will no longer be allowing third-party API into private groups, but there is a workaround. It's called RTMP, and I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up. Okay, you set that up one time, and that's all you have to do. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and share my screen to show you exactly how we are going to make this workaround work. All right, so I am in my Facebook group. That's the first thing that you need to do. So I want you to open up your Facebook group and open up your streaming tool. My streaming tool of choice is StreamYard. So I have both of these tabs open, as you can see here. So you're going to go into your Facebook group. You're going to pretend like you're creating a post. So just click on the box to pretend like you're creating a post. Then you're going to pretend like you're creating a live video, okay? Now click on Go Live. And instead of using our webcam, we're going to use a streaming software and scroll down, and you're going to see where the stream key is, and then you're going to see an advanced settings area. Click on the down arrow and scroll down, and you're going to see that there is an RTMP server URL, and that's going to be what we're going to be using to stream into our groups from our favorite third-party streaming tools, okay? All right, so you'll see that there's a stream key. You'll see that there's an RTMP key. I'm going to go back over to StreamYard, okay? And you're going to see I have a bunch of destinations already created. Now, a lot of these I'm going to have to eliminate because I can no longer stream into my groups using the old API tool, okay? So what I want to do is I'm going to create a new destination, and I want to create it with a custom RTMP right here. So you click on there. And of course, you're going to see I need the RTMP server URL and the stream key, which I just showed you where you can grab it from on your Facebook group. So I'm going back over to my Facebook group. I'm going to grab the stream key. I'm going to copy that, come back over to StreamYard, and I'm going to paste it into the stream key field. I'm going to go back over to my Facebook group, and I'm going to grab the server URL for the RTMP. So just click on the copy, come back to StreamYard, and I'm going to paste that in the RTMP server URL field. I mean, that's it. Now I just want to give this a nickname so that when I go to use my StreamYard tool, I can easily identify which group this is, okay? So I'm going to just call this the OBM and VA pool group. All right, now I'm just going to click on Add RTMP server, and that's it, you guys. Now, when you go live using StreamYard into your Facebook group, you are going to have two windows open, okay? Now it's going to be, this is the workaround, okay? So it's going to be a little bit more to manage, but at least it's still possible because with StreamYard, at least you can invite guests onto your show, onto your live stream. You can also still share your screen. And if you only use the Live Producer live stream app that Facebook provides, it's really difficult to do. It's really hard to figure out how to bring people on. It's difficult to share your screen. So, if you want to continue streaming with your favorite third-party streaming tool, then this is a perfect and great workaround, okay? And it's going to work for you. You just have to manage two screens when you're going live. That's it. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to go live, all right? So I'm in my StreamYard tool, and I'm going to click on Live Stream. And you're going to see right here, here are all of my destinations where, well, this is the new destination that I just created, all right? And it's the RTMP one. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to give this a title. Let's just call this Live Demo, okay? And I'm going to create the live stream. All right. So StreamYard is creating the live stream. I'm going to enter the studio and bring myself onto stage. And then I'm going to switch back over to Facebook, okay? So I'm in my Facebook group, and I'm just going to start over just so you can see what it's going to be like to actually start a new live stream without all the things that we just did for the setup, okay? So I'm going to go back into my group, which is right here. I'm going to click on the field here to pretend like I'm creating a new post, right? And I'm going to, again, go live. I'm going to click on go live. I'm clicking on go live again. Okay, and now I'm going to give this a title. Now, so you're going to have to give it a title twice, all right? So again, this is, it's kind of the cost for still being able to do the streaming, right, from your favorite streaming tool. So I'm just going to put the title of live demo. Here's the workaround for API. I'm just giving it a description. All right. So what you need to do next is I'm going to go back over to StreamYard and I'm going to click go live. All right, so I'm going live in StreamYard. It does say in StreamYard, take a look here, that I'm live, but I'm actually not live yet, okay? I need to go back over into my Facebook group and I need to click the go live button for me to actually go live in my group, okay? So here I am, everything's set up. I'm going to click on the go live in my Facebook group. Live video is starting. And I am now live. And the cool part about this is that I can actually see all of the comments in the Facebook group. There's no more, trying to look at the comments through StreamYard, right? Because a lot of times when you're trying to monitor comments through StreamYard, you can't see who the person is that's commenting because they didn't click the allow StreamYard to see your name. So it kind of eliminates that. And you can still share your screen. You can do all the things through StreamYard. So I'm going to go back over to StreamYard. Now, you're also not going to be able to see the number of viewers in StreamYard, and that's okay because you're going to be able to see it over here in your Facebook group. You're going to see all the lives. You're going to be able to see all the things. You'll be able to comment, and that is going to be the workaround, all right? Not too bad, right? I say so because I still want to use my StreamYard because I'm familiar with it. I love being able to share my screen, especially when I'm doing presentations or when I'm bringing my guests on to my live show, right? So we can still do all those things. We just have to make a couple of tweaks. Now, when you end the live video or when you go over to StreamYard and hit the end stream here, and I'll actually just give you a little example. So I'm over in StreamYard and I'm going to end the stream in StreamYard. So what's going to happen is if I go into my Facebook group, it will show you, it will end that stream. See there? Okay, so it ended the live stream. So you only have to, hit the end live stream from one of them. But this is a great workaround. It's very, very easy to set up. You only have to set it up one time. You'll just have two different screens to maneuver. But if you have, dual screens, it makes it pretty easy. Or you can just kind of minimize your StreamYard screen and just, concentrate on your Facebook group live stream page, okay? Because then you can just manage your comments and all of those things. And you can still run polls and things like that Facebook allows you to do. All right, so that is how you can work around the April 22nd meta changes, and you can still stream into your Facebook groups using your favorite streaming tool. All right, I hope this helped. If it did help, please like and follow and share this, and let me know in the comments if this helped you, okay? All right, thanks, bye.